Hello, this is Mr. Huff. Let's do a floor plan that is only room tags, and this way we can have a clean floor plan and then a clean floor plan that has room tags on it. We'll do this several times throughout this process. So at this point, you should have your floor plan pretty well nailed down. So what we're going to do is go over here to floor plan, and we're going to right click, and we're going to choose the words duplicate, view, and just choose the first one, duplicate. Then the one that says copy one, we're going to rename it. And I like to leave the word floor on there, but this is going to say room tag or just rooms. That'll work. It just needs to be clear what it is to us. So we're going to make sure we're in that one. And all this furniture, I don't want to see this. So I want to select all instances visible in view, or hide in view by category. That's what I want to do. Everything that's furniture, I want to hide that. So we're going to do that with the bathtub as well. So give me just a moment to hide these things. Category. All right, so I have all of that hidden in here. And now what I want to do is go in and add, I've done some room separators. We're just going to go tag everything. So I'm going to tag the room. I meant not room, tag the room, but room. I'm just going to use room, and I'm going to find these spaces. So we're just going to go through and click everything. That is a room that we will use. Okay, now I've got my rooms tagged. This is a little awkward because they're kind of big. So that is not a problem for this. So now I'm going to go through and change these room tags by just clicking on the name and changing it. Okay, now that I have everything labeled, I've got my bedroom, my bath, my living room, a kitchen, a media space, an entryway, another bath, the bedroom, a linen closet, and a closet. And yes, this floor plan has a lot of issues, but the main thing is it has a lot of rooms. So another thing we want to do after we've got these done, then we can make a schedule. Notice my numbering doesn't start with 1 because I went through and made some rooms and deleted them and made some rooms and deleted them. And so it's kind of got that saved in the background. It doesn't matter what the numbers are. We just need to be able to see them. So what we're going to do is over here where it says schedule and quantities, I'm going to move my stuff around a little bit here. Let's grab this whole thing because you're going to need to see this right. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on schedule and quantities, new schedule. Okay. And then we're going to look for the word room in this expansive list. And we're going to add a schedule for rooms. And what this is going to let us do is we're going to be able to make a list of things about our house. So we're going to have it built in as room schedule. And the phase is going to be new construction. It doesn't matter on that. What you can do in a project, you can split it up into multiple phases and identify things at different phases. But for us, it's just new construction. So we're going to click OK. And the things we want to add, we want to have the number first. So I'm going to go choose number and the name. And there's a lot of other things you can pick in here, but I think the most useful thing for us is going to be area. You can kind of scroll through this list and see that you can also identify finishes and heights and occupancy and all kinds of stuff. So that's outside of what we're going to be doing. So we're going to hit OK. And when you expand the next, let me move it over because now we're looking at the schedule. So in our schedule, it shows the number. I have some things that say not placed. These are not part of the floor plan, so I need to get rid of those. It has the name and the area. So I'm going to go to number 2, and I'm going to right click on that row, and I'm going to delete that row. And it says you're going to delete that tag. Are you sure? And I'm wondering if I can select all of these. No, we have to do one at a time. What if we just hit the delete key? That doesn't work. So we have to do the very tedious thing of deleting the row. Delete. Okay. Right click. Delete. Okay. Right click, delete the row. Okay. And last one, right click, delete the row. So if you have one that's not placed, that's what you need to do to get rid of those. And so now you have a list of your rooms that you identified by tags and their square footage. So you can use this information to assess the size of your spaces. So in this case, like I have a bathroom that's 67 square feet. Not right. I have an entry that's could be all the way down to 70. I have a living space. Everything else looks good. The closets we don't care about as far as minimum dimension. This bath is a little bit small at 80 square feet, but it's within spec. So there's a real quick way to do a room schedule. So what we've done, we took the floor plan, we duplicated it and made a floor plan just for the room tags, and based on the room tags, we made a room schedule. Thank you for watching and have a great day.